there was another major platform coming out of Jamaica, especially during the pandemic, that was giving a platform to a lot of young up-and-coming artists and also some veterans. That's the Boombox Fridays.
Sugar Miner Studio.
It is set up as, one love, everybody come in, artists get a chance to just do their thing. It was well supported. People were tuning in online. It became very popular. And there's been some, I guess, little rift in the camp. And shocking to see a news clip or a phone clip, of going around viral now of General B in an altercation at the Boombox Fridays with some of the team and organizers there, including Harry Tadler. They exchanged some words. Yeah, they need to work that out. I hope to see, they've been working together for so many years as a group.
And violence is not the answer.
Well, when money becomes involved, then things get a little cloudy.
The conversation shifts.
Yeah.
Real quick.
Yeah.
But behind the scenes, people, let's try to keep these arguments and these, mishaps off the stage.
I'm saying though, yeah.